Alright guys, so we talked about the very basics of perimeter and area, right? So the perimeter, hold on, I'm not holding this right, okay. Perimeter, it's the fence around a shape, right? Okay. If I have, imagine it's a square. 2 by 2, which means 2 by 2. My perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 2 plus 2, 4, plus 2, 6, plus 2, 8. Very simple, very basic. Now, if I have the area, which is the surface inside the shape, right? I'm writing slow because I'm hoping it's going to be readable. So I have the same square, which doesn't look much better. 2, 2, 2, 2. My area is the inside, right? First perimeter, I got the fence around. I just added the sides. Area, I'm trying to figure out how much there is inside of there. So area equal the length times the width. So the length is 2 times the width is 2 also because it's a square. 2 times 2 equal 4. So my perimeter for that shape would be 8. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. I have my fence around. In my area, if I have square stones to put in there, I need 2 that way, 2 that way. So that's 2 times 2, that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look. 1, 2, 2 that way, 2 that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal. Now, those are for quadrilaterals, which are a fairly simple shape when it comes to that. What happens if I have a triangle? Triangles are a little bit like quadrilaterals that were split. So if I have again my square, which is less and less square, and I cut it exactly in the middle, straight, please. So I end up having 2 triangles, right? So if I do one side times one side like I do here, I get the area of this whole thing. Not just, if I do like 2 times 2, I get the area of the whole square. So to get my triangle, I need to do the base times the height divided by 2. So area of a triangle equal the base times the height divided by 2, so I don't get the whole thing. Now, in this case, 2 times 2 divided by 2. 2 times 2, 4 divided by 2, 2. That would be it. Now, where it gets tricky is, so this is easy because this triangle has a right angle, right? So my height and that side is the same. What if I have, oh my goodness, all right, that's a triangle, guys. So what if my base is 4, but this is not my height, because my height is how high it is. So my height goes from the peak and it comes down here, or it would if I could draw, in a 90-degree angle. So that's my height. So no matter what my sides are, that's X, that's Y, it doesn't matter if this is, we'll say, how How about 4, just to make it simple? So my height is here, and in a problem that asks you that, it will give you the height or an easy way to find out. So my area for a triangle equal my base times my height divided by 2. So in this case, 4 times 4 divided by 2, which is 4 times 4, 16, divided by 2, 8. So this is the area of my triangle. Now to find the perimeter, I would have to know x and y, right? But that's another, we're not getting into that right now. But just remember that a triangle, the base times the height, and sometimes the height is a little tricky, divided by 2. That is your formula. Hope this helped.